quite a few meetings that were held, and now one such meeting that we are going to analyze. After facing a humiliating defeat in the recent Lok Sabha polls, winning just one of the 5 seats that he contested, it was time for self-introspection for NCP's Ajit Pawar. Now, Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar called for a meeting of his party MLAs, but 5 MLAs from Pawar's camp didn't turn up. This came amid speculation that some NCP MLAs are in touch with the Sharad Pawar faction of the party. However, Ajit Pawar dismissed the rumours about his MLAs defecting to the NCP. Now, the missing MLAs were Dharmrao Atram, Narhari Zirwal, Rajendra Shingne, Anna Bansode, and Sunil Tingre. That the last name definitely does ring a bell because he was in fact even associated, his name was associated with the recent Pune Porsche case. The meeting in fact was held at a 5-star hotel in South Mumbai where around 35 MLAs and other senior NCP leaders were present. Now the NCP won just one seat, remember, for this Lok Sabha elections, which was the seat of Raigad, while it lost the prestige battle in Baramati, where the NCP sitting MP Supriya Sule retained the constituency, defeating Ajit Pawar's wife Sunetra. Now Ajit Pawar, who's the NCP national president, party working president Praful Patel and state unit chief Sunil Tatkare, who retained the Raigad seat, were present at the meeting. NDA won 17 out of the 48 seats, BJP won 9 out of that, Shinde's faction won 7 and NCP won 1 in the state of Maharashtra. Well, with that now, my colleague Kiran Tare is joining us on the broadcast to bring us more details and throw some light on all that's happening. Kiran, a very good morning to you. Very firstly, help us understand the 5 names that we see of the MLAs who've not attended the meeting. A, what the reasons might be, and in fact, these 5 MLAs, point number 2 is the fact one happens to be Sunil Tingre.
Good morning, Shreya. Sunil Tingre, yes, of course, he has been untraceable since the Pune Porsche case has taken a hit in the state politics. Sunil Tingre, Ajit Pawar had said that Sunil Tingre was not well and Ajit Pawar was in touch with him, but where he is, nobody knows his location, nobody knows where he is and what he is doing. Somebody told me that he has gone for a Vipassana for a peace of mind, but I don't think the politicians can afford to go out of any political activity for such a long period. Sunil Tingre's absence in the meeting is, of course, understood. He was supposed to absent in this meeting because if he had attended it, the entire focus of the meeting would have changed from the politics to the crime, to the Pune Porsche case. And that is why I think Sunil Tingre has given a miss to this meeting. The other names in Narhari Jheva, who is the deputy speaker of the assembly. He is in Russia. He was genuinely absent at the meeting. He was in Russia. Dharmara Baba Atram and Anna Bansode and Rajendra Shingne, they are not well. But here, when we are saying that they are not well, especially in case of Rajendra Shingne, he is always suspected to be very close to Sharad Pawar even after being associated with Ajit Pawar. So this kind of illness, sudden illness at a very crucial junction could not be taken into a very genuine reason for the absence of the MLAs. There are talks that several of Ajit Pawar's supporters, MLAs and the party workers, they are in a mind to go back to Sharad Pawar for their bright political fortunes. This is the talk in the party, and in that on that backdrop, the absence of this particular 3 MLAs. I'm not talking about Sunil Tingre or Narhari Jhirwal. They had some genuine reasons. I think Anna Bansode is also genuinely ill. He is not keeping well, but the absence of Dharmara Baba Atram and Rajendra Shigne is something very different. Somebody
Right.
told me that Dharmara Baba Atram is going to publish his book and he's preparing for that. And Rajendra Shigne is not well. But all of this speculations, we don't know exactly what are the reasons unless and until they come to the fore and explain their stand on the issue.
Right, Kiran. Kiran, we'll come back to you just in a little while. Just also let's take a look at this response that's coming from Ajit Pawar on this matter first.
कि शेड्यूल कास्ट वो संविधान के बारे में जो इशू निकाला इसके कारण बैकवर्ड क्लास हमारे से दूर हो गए। माइनॉरिटी में तो इतने सुबह जल्दी 7 बजे वोटिंग शुरू हुआ था तो लाइनें लग रही थी, ऐसा कभी होता नहीं। लेकिन उनको ऐसा लगा कि अपने को अभी भारत देश से ही निकालने वाले, ऐसे कुछ भी न्यूज फैली गई। विधानसभा में हम जो महायुति के घटक है, जो पार्टियां है, उन्होंने सबने मिलके जल्द से जल्द कुछ डिसीजन लिए और वो डिसीजन लेके लोगों के सामने गए तो हमें अच्छा यश मिल सकता है। सभी विधायकों के साथ बात की, सभी ने बताया कि हम आपके साथ ही रहने वाले हैं। ये चुनाव के बारे में प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस है, ये परिवार के बारे में वो हमारा आपस का मामला है, वो तो सही है। उसमें बाकी के मीडिया के सामने लाने की कोई जरूरत नहीं।